mwancho muriria ogetembe television no kogania kone nga watwara obutuko oborobotorero kigima ane muno chinga kichiga ekerembure nyinge gendete konekiwa ase chinsemo na tokurigereria ase riroba ria gusi nigegendete gutwanga nonye chinsa chiapo no mambi amaseseni eyembura nare enente karibu sana ase merobiri ya getembe ritukeriga ria Jumatatu rituko rire ria chitareki 20 ene ya mumutinyokane mwaka uyiga wetire bubere 25 karibu sana irio tunyare gusanga naye ariagenderete kuro ase chinsemo nabo igo tugendere gukomanya narari aria agendete kunyagokorekana nande narari arobeire na muno tukurigereria ase ensemo ya mangana yoburai nabo igo nekero abantu gose abantu Kristo ensengima bagendete kunyagochengera eruse yiga ya Easter igo mwancho murigereria engake yiga ane ya Pasika nekero bono ngache dini chinyingi nchigendete gutwara okwegokia ngari tukeriga nigori gochikwera rero ekiro abange baguchingira kubuka okwaye Yesu Kristo mancho murigere nchengoro kwa Matilda obaigwa nekero villa kariri nera ochukwenege kwanyorire eriogi nechivicha ase injira ere eyabene kigima karibu sana ime yomurobere wetwani yagetemberi ndo chinyare gusanga ase nsemeyiga yekionga chinsa ikome enebere chabono mambi korinde no gusaba engora kwabera ikiagerando chinga chabutokire chitageka ikomi ena isanga na isato erinde ekiro tugoche gusanga ayayiga na guika chinsa gose guika ensemo yabono mambi no chikonyora mangana yebrubo bichukosori nere stesemiruka nabo igo kewika chinse ibere charero mambia ntochikomorekera asinchira yabene nanda sinchira engikerano kegima amangana yayiga Easter holidays inga igo rero ase ritukoria rero kalenda eri yamangana asiasa gose politics eri togocha tokora rituko ria Monday ngarero nigo tokora na ribaga se tokoena na ribaga ria bene gocha asensemo yaba Kristo erinde tunyare kurigereria emeyiga ya Easter nabo komanya kayombo tetekoru ngayogendete gochengira Easter holiday ya okuru nga ekero ekoera rero ningi wakorira ase mutukaye gatatokoru ritukoria Juma rero neria kanendo chinga holiday ga ya Easter na bangi bagendete ko yichengira igo ngambari aroro farabu bateriko genda ase ichiabisi ko watekana no moyego yega korinde into nabarari no turaiga obutambe nande nabo kumanya wetera ase chinsemo chiri cha Facebook wetera ase namba yesimia 0726 447367 ngayombo atitekoru elita liao ningo nabo igo isteiga ingi wakore no manyete ngachindagira nchiroro chire specific abantu babantu koli chinga kichiga cha Easter na nenchi bwate a significant meaning nyara gusanga nenchi ase chinsemo cha Facebook nabo igo YouTube ase otonyora YouTube na Getembe TV and FM gasinchira ere eyabene kigma karibu sana nande nokuganya kwa ngakira tugochaka ewiki igato chake asinchira ere yobwamo enchira yomunguso ekiro togendete gusanga naye kurwaiga ase gitaseni ikia Getembe ewe aiga no mwamugusi umoncho murigira nekero ongochaka ndarachiko mangana yega Easter ekero ngorigereria amaya niko bono oyore omorike monene bwekyombe ekeri kya nat Kenya kiombe kia barimu aiga asense ya Kenya gia Kenya National Union of Teachers banyarire kurwa ogukura gucha ase abana siasa bonsi banyare gutiga kwesonania ni kiombe kirige kurika barimu asense ya Kenya kemanyikanete buna TAC gose Teachers Service Commission nene muno asense mweri yokwena na amabaga gucha ase aborokia bari bagendete kurigia amabaga ime ya serikali oyo tenete oyo romorikyo monene bwekyombe kyo calling so you niganyarite gotebanga enchira bana siasa bachakire goswana no bukoriri bwa TAC nigo erachikoreto muchando monene anene muno gucha ase aborokia bari babere no kwegena ase myake menge ngambachi goswa ime ye musemba nyara kurikwa na serikali korinde ngabone kyagara barabu tibabwati uyo ranyara ko babwato ko boko nigo barachikonyora omuchando monene nigatebire nga eyo gosona na kwa siasa ime ya TAC nigo kwachakire koreta uwanchireria asinchira yokwena na amabaga kuchaste abarimu.
Employment of teachers in this republic is causing a lot of concern in the circles of Kenya National Union of Teachers. It is true, and it is within the knowledge of every other knowledgeable citizen in this country, that Teacher Service Commission is an independent commission by law, and is a commission that has mandate. One of the mandates of Teacher Service Commission is to recruit teachers to the teaching service. I don't want to talk about the rest, but because this is what you brought up as a question. It is at an alarming rate. The Teacher Service Commission, to some level, has abdicated its role and co-function of employment of teachers. Never in the history of Teacher Service Commission that we saw what is happening now. TSC should be ready to work and operate within its mandate. And the mandate in this question is recruitment of teachers. Recruitment here, I mean employment of teachers. What has been happening is a shock. I know that to some extent, TSC would actually come forward to the leadership of this country, because we also have executive powers. We cannot object the executive powers of the president of this country to employ teachers. We want to thank him. He can do it. But the manner in which these forms are distributed by some politicians leaves a lot to be desired. Yes, you can assist through Teacher Service Commission, but you must be fair and human. The idea of picking on a teacher who completed college in 2023 and leaving out one who completed teacher training college in 2010 leaves more questions than answers. And as a union, we must state categorically that even in employment, you should be very fair and above all, be human. We have teachers who are over 50 years old, not yet employed. They have stayed outside there. Where do you want to go to?
Navoigo umurikio munene gwikiombe kia nurses aiga asense ya Kenya ikiombe kia Kenya National Union of Nurses ose NAN umanikanite buna Seth Panyako nigo anyarire kuboria serikali anene muno ikiombe ikirikio buchori ne chimbibe kia IEBC nikira kuboria nga ikamati eri anyarite guchorwa nebonete gukora obuchori bwaye bwa commissioner na boigo obonyakirogo Munyakiroko ase kiombe kyo asinjira eri eyo bwasio ku kegima kago kwana ritkorigoro niganyarete kwera buna chinse monjire aiga sense ya Kenya tibonete gwikirania obochori obokoboke bumanyikanite buna by elections ekiagera gwikira boniga ngachi bunge njiraroro chi ward na boigo chinsemo ose chi county chinde chitabwati egati yabarai kubwatekana no kubura okwa aba commissioner na boigo munyakiroko gwikiombe kiga kia IEBC
3 years without member of parliament. Look, for us it's just a few months, but we have Kenyans who have not had a member of parliament for more than 3 years, and that is not right, because that is infringement of the constitutional rights of these constituencies. In fact, parliament is running illegally and unconstitutionally, having more than 3 years. Some constituencies not having members of parliament. So those members, those constituencies deserve to have a member of parliament. And you cannot have a member of parliament when IEBC is not constituted. The only thing I can say is that is to urge those who have been given the responsibility to interview the IEBC commissioner, the chairs, to do it with a lot of consideration that they are holding that high responsibility given to them on behalf of Kenyans. They must do it with the integrity, they must do it with the transparency, and they must ensure that the Kenyan people have confidence on those who will emerge victorious during this process. We do not want a system where every time we do elections, people kill each other, elections are rigged, those who do not make it go to parliament, and those who make it stay home like myself. I have been rigged out twice. It is shameful, very shameful. We want those who are elected to go to parliament. Those who are not elected, stay at home. But now when you have a system where you have those who have not been elected going to parliament and those who have been elected remaining at home, then you can see the kind of decisions that our parliament makes. It makes decisions to certify those who have helped them go to parliament illegally. And they are not even honorable. They are dishonorable. Because if you stole an election, how can you be honorable? A honorable person is a person who has been given the honor by the people. If the people denied you that honor and you stole yourself, how can you call yourself honorable? So most of these
Unenchire mo yogo chengira alituko ria Easter Sunday rituko rigoro nigo umrai wense mosque William Ruto na boigo nensemo ya barai vande abange korwa imeyo serikali na boigo korwa ase county ya Narok bani alete goikirana ase ekanise yemo ime ya Nturere county yo ya Narok abara yabo bakoba bale amo nere omo waziri Soipani Tuya omo governor bwe county ya Narok omoske Patrick Ole Ntutu Moseneta bwe county yo omoske Ledama Olekina anaboigo abara ibandi nigo banyarite kusanga eberengerero byabo ao meyikanise yo una barachi kukwaterana na kosira serikali ya omoske William Ruto eri nyare kwanana obukoriri burubuya kuchase aba Kenya.
Continue to be a God-fearing nation. And we will not be derailed, we will not be intimidated, we will not be dissuaded in pursuit of the work of God for our nation. Sasa tuko na mpango mzuri wa kuhakikisha ya kwamba hakuna Mkenya inawachwa nyuma wakati tunashughulikia mambo ya matibabu. Hiyo program ya SHA, kila siku Kenya wananchi zaidi ya 45,000 wanajisajili every day. Mimi sitaki watu wa Narok wabaki nyuma. Kwa hivyo mujisajili, wale wako na uwezo wa kulipa watalipa kulingana na uwezo wao, wale hawana uwezo wa kulipa tutawalipia kama serikali ya Kenya. Ile tunataka ni kwamba kusipatikane mwananchi tena anauza mali yake, anauza shamba yake, anahangaika na harambee akitafuta mambo ya pesa ya kulipa mahospitali.
Na narudia hapa kwangu ya kwamba sisi kama jamii ya Wamasai tumesema tutakuwa na wewe mwaka hii 10 ambayo Mungu amekupea umalisha kama sisi wengine wote ambao tutamaliza. Mimi nataka tu nikuambia ya kwamba sisi tuko tayari. Kwa ile siku ambayo umeweka wewe mwenyewe ilikuwa uje tarehe 29 na tarehe 30. Lakini kwa sababu uliponipigia simu ukaniambia uko na mambo mengine unaenda kufanya nje, tarehe 6 na tarehe 7 na tarehe 8, Your Excellency, ni siku 3. Kwa sababu hii nchi yangu ni kubwa sana. And we have lined up a number of projects ambayo serikali yako imefanya na imekamilika. SHA imefanya kazi. Mimi niko na watu wengi ambao wameenda hospitali na wamelipiwa milioni 3, milioni 2, milioni 1. Na tulikuwa tumeagana, Your Excellency, hapa mwezi wa 5 ikiisha na mtu hajajiandikisha kwa SHA na unaenda kusema utakuwa na mchango, hakuna MP ama MCA ama governor ambaye atakuja mchango yako.
Mimi nikisimama hapa, unajua mimi ni mtu wa Raila damu. Lakini nafurahia sana kwa sababu Mheshimiwa Ruto ameshikana na baba. Na aliposhikana na baba, mimi nikaambia baba, sasa wewe wacha mimi nilete Wamasai wote pamoja. Hakuna hata mmoja ataenda kando ya Mheshimiwa William Ruto sasa.
Pia tumeambiwa hapa the last time a president visited was 30 years ago. Na ilikuwa mambo ya amani. Na mimi ningependa kuwatia changamoto watu wa Mosiru.
Ukwana kurwa somo yoyo ime ya Nturere county ya Narok na boigo nigo omrai wense moske William Ruto nande anyarete koenekia na boigo gusingirira buna ero monyene na chiwesonania ase amangana yokurwani obukurumi aiga ase ense ya Kenya anene mono nekirago tebanga chibesa chiri chikubotuko gocha ase okorosia chipara ime yichi county nigo ero monyene arachiwesonane ase ngani yo na koenekia buna chibesa chonsi chiri chikubotuko korase kiganje ke serikali chakorire emero eri eikeranete nga onye abajumbe gose ababunge bagusinywa gukora gose gwikirania yo
Are made available to us by the people of Kenya through their taxes must be spent in a transparent, accountable manner. Na ndio sababu in my address to the nation, I made 2 commitments. I said, number 1, all procurement beginning April this year are going to be undertaken on an e-platform. We are going to have e-procurement so that there is transparency in the procurement of public services and public programs, so that we know that we have gotten the best price, the most competitive price, to the best person, and we know who it is. I'm happy to say that e-procurement that we have been waiting for years has started this April, as I committed. Number 2, nilisema ili kuondoa mambo ya ufisadi ambayo sehemu kubwa inachangiwa na interests ya wale watu wako na uwezo, viongozi ambao wako na uwezo. Tukasema tutapitisha sheria ambayo inaitwa Conflict of Interest Law. Na niliahidi bunge wakati huo ya kwamba wasipopitisha sheria ambayo inalingana na vile tulikubaliana na Wakenya, sheria ambayo itakomesha mambo ya ufisadi na mambo ya ubinafsi na mambo ya watu kutumia ofisi za serikali kujinufaisha wao wenyewe, familia zao na marafiki zao. Niliwaeleza wakati huo, msipopitisha hiyo sheria, mimi nitaweka veto ya hiyo sheria mpaka nipitishe sheria ambayo itakomesha ufisadi katika taifa letu la Kenya. Nimefanya hivyo juzi, na kwa wiki 3 zijazo bunge lazima ipitishe sheria vile nimependekeza, ndio tuweze kukomesha mambo ya ubinafsi katika procurement na utendakazi wa mambo ya serikali.
Wego mancho murigereria nase ensemo yechisemi nigo oboteneneri wa ekiombe kiregia kusipsigosegia kwana na amabaga ochasi aborokigo bonsi bali bagosoa MAH University ao na Boigochi College aiga asinsi ya Kenya Kenya tuguterare chinguma abuna nigo mutandao obo obwate omuchando anene muno chinga kichiga aborokiwa bagendete gwechorera chikosi echo bagochigokora ase College na Boigochi University ase amatuko arebosio kwana kurwa chinsemo cha Nyamache aigase county ya Kisii nigo bono banyarete kwerera abuna nigo aborokiwa babonete kogendera oichoria na boigo kwenyorera amabaga ase chi skuru erio kwenekia una bachire kogendera komenta amasomo abo na boigo oyo omanyekanete omosomo omanyekanete una Dr. Samuel Siringi na boigo nanyarete gwikirana ase omoyigoyu asanyarete kwena na ase gitoko chasi aborokiwa na kubaboria banyare gochora chikosi chirichira bakonye ase amatuko arebosio.
As a matter of fact, applications are going on very smoothly, and day and night students are applying. So we do not have any issue with the system failure or downtime. Yeah, at least if there was, you would have had. The country would have had. But from where we are, all the applications are going on very well. We started, if you remember, we started with Phase A, which was diploma, TVET institutions, KMTC, and TTCs. We finished that, we released the placement results. And now we are on the Phase 2, which is primarily targeting university or degree applicants. But even then, we have still allowed the portal to accept those who missed or those who may not have applied for the first phase to also apply now in the second phase. So the system is perfect. We dispatched staff, officers from the headquarters into all areas of the country, all the 47 counties, institutions or universities, TVET institutions, and even Huduma centers. And these officers are supporting parents, they are supporting guardians and students to apply so that they can not be left outside.
Leo tumechangamka vizuri, tumeona sana tunamshukuru mwenye amelete hii induction hapa, Daktari Ziringi, kwa kuleta wageni kutoka KUSSEP na wale wa Higher Loans Board kufundisha watoto wetu vile watajiunga na university mwaka huu, na tena vile wanastahili kujaza form za kupata pesa za help ambazo zitawasaidia kujiendeleza shuleni wakati watajiunga na vyuo vikuu vya Kenya hapa.
So kwa KUSSEP mimi venye niliapply ilikuwa tu sawa, kila kitu kilikuwa tu sawa kwa wenye wameapply na wamepata challenges. Wanaweza ongea na watu wa KUSSEP wawasaidie, so wakiwasaidia kila mtu asaidike, saidika, kila kitu kitakuwa sawa. Lakini for me kila kitu kimekuwa sawa, so nangojea hiyo application ikuwe processed, alafu ndio nikuwe placed wa university, tuendelee na masomo, tusaidike kwa wengine. Na kwangu sasa, kwa wengine nawaambia wajaribu, mwenye hajapata asaidike, guidance asaidike.
Mimi hii ya kuapply nilikuwa na challenge. Unaona, kulikuwa na challenge ya pesa, so lazima utumike pesa then you apply. So kulikuwa na shida, like yani nilikuwa nafikiria, so I'm not going to university, siwezi apply standard university, so I'm going to stay, ninaenda kukaa hapa nje. Lakini dada alijaribu akatafuta pesa, nika apply. Na hii program wameleta hapa, wenye walileta na washukuru kwa sababu wameweza kutusaidia, wametupia guidelines then tunaweza apply and hizo loans za kupewa shule. Yeah.
Mwanjo murigire ni wiki ye ka rituko ria mambia gose tariki 22 cy'umutinyo higa okane umurai wense na aligetie gucia gukora itaro ya ye wiki yemo goika ase enseri ya China na ekirenga korengana na umurai wense nigo bono arache kurigereria amagendero na boigo okubwaterana nense ya China elio kwene kiabuna chipara na boigo amangana yobonjoreria aiga sense ya Kenya anyarire gokiniwa na boigo inse yo muroberio yo oyo umurai wense ali gete gose omanyekana tebona Belt and Road Initiative nigo umurai wense akoyoegera na goteba nigo erache gokonya ense ya Kenya gutwara chipara chingia na boigo amagacho amaya hanne mono asense mo eri iyo bonjorera korene korengana netari yo yaye arobriti guchocha kalit koriankyo nigo omo bishop we diocese ya Mombasa omanyekana tebona Bishop Martin Kivuva anyare kumomocha omurai wense igoro yechitarichi akonya gukora gucha ase chinse chesko nekiragoteba nigo chitarichi gachi gutumeka chibesa chinyinge chaba Kenya echichubonete gutumeka gukora magendero aiga ase inse ya Kenya kaukwana ekero bari guchingira Easter Sunday koro ase county ya Mombasa nigo anyarete kwerera buna nakuburia buna omurai wense Musike William Ruto na bonete gokeania chitaro anene mono chinga kechiga uchumi ya Kenya egendete korora obo Kongo segendete gotirimbuka kigema
na nchi nyinginezo nje ya Kenya. Deni, what we call the national debt, inasemekana imepita kipimo. So ni kama wewe una deni na huku naendelea kukopa kwa jirani, kwa banki hii na benki ile, unaongeza uzito kwa wale unaoishi nao, na hasa Mkenya anayetozwa ushuru, kwa sababu hayo ni lazima yalipike. Na hili ni onyo ameongeleshwa na watu wengi, na yeye amesema, naamini anasema kwamba I know what I'm doing. The challenge is, mzigo huu utamlemea nani baadaye? Mzigo huu utaleta anayechukua hatamu mwishoni atafanyani hizi tuite mikopo ambayo imezidi kipimo. So ametahadharishwa mara nyingi, na anajua yeye mwenyewe, anaamini hivyo kwamba amesikia hilo na ameamua aliloamua. So letu ni kusema tusiwe na kusema hajui, kuambiwa ameshirikishwa na watu mbalimbali hata nchi za nje. So ni tukae chonjo, tukae tumejipanga, na sisi tusiwe tukazama.
Mwanzo murigira negati yari ndo chakendete utara imitandao ngamo no buroire bwa kolera gosi kipindupindu okendete kububeta nsikima ngawikira bono nigo omubaro bwa bakenya emyeyemo na 23 banyarire kubwateranibwa gose gotoka abale eno muchando buburire bwa kolera nakorwa chinsemo chinde tukurigirira ase chinsemo chiarongai nigo bono ndo chinga endo ose esimba ose lion eyanyarete kumuria omwana omunyaroka bwe grade kya 5 na 2 mwana abwe miaka 14 eyubona irete abamenyi betinsemecho bakonya gukurira serikali enyare kwenekia buna yanyarire gukurana nengane yo muchando wendo yo igendete kororekana kegotara nga esimba engungu iyo igendete koba kegotara aboika ase chinka chiabanto na boigo kuimukya nonye netugo nabono chimboli na agokora amanganande amange korene mwancho muri ikiagrando chinga ase ori stese miruka niko are aiga kiguma iria chigokoretera amangana yechigosori nigonda chikogenda ase mutumukomoke korende ase chitaka kaisano chioka ninchi goko oherera na rali ale amanene kigima ase chigazeti chiritko riare to basaguska.
Superstores nero eduka asorogongoriga rwa South Nyanza yanchere amone company ya mabati Rolling Mills eyuko yabwatuka uchiase abaonia aiga ntobwate showroom asura achabwirigirie amabati andonsialia utagete showroom yeto nigo enkale eyuerengia na boigo ekogokiriso yao chingaki ogoswasa yiga kurigiriria amabati aiga ntobwate team tembo abo bagokolemiremo ase showroom yiga babwate chingoro chingia chugo kwarigania na boigo chotebererie kende kensi uraganie bagotebererie company ya mabati Rolling Mills niko babwate amabati chingenjo ao ayuare ye chikala ao na boigo ayuiga bwate chi profile net gauges ao bunabono babwate normal corrugated na boigo box corrugated asibigo babwate Dumarang ayuare aye chigage emerongetato asama mabati alia ye chigage emerongibire mbabwate tile profiles alia au oriental elegantal versatile gross na boigo na versatile mat MRM niko babwate lifestyle ayuago chana roman jinko na boigo web design babwate ligani kabwate chikala bunabone lia chaco gray brick red tile red maroon sky blue na boigo na green obutambe bwe mabwate liga niko bokolengana amo nukanya gwe customer mbabwate bintu bindi boigo ebyo ochikunyara kabo gutumika chinga gicho gwakeranya mabati liga ase nyumba yao tutari lero ase Uhuru MRM showroom onyare kabo gukwerera amabati yu akomenya sigika ayo guchani warrant na boigo ayo orakoberwa ikasure asubwango edukenyiga ya Uhuru Superstores yegotoka se enyumba ya Uhuru Complex imiyumuchuligo busongo iyo erangene duka ya Safaricom boigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers iyo ere angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simgwetera ase namba chabo 0111161500 Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
nabwate amone kisimiki ye uru nabwate amona mabaki Etwani yabugire ayo mworo karugetanda Etwani yabugire ayo mworo karugetanda bana mbale njara ayo mworo karugetanda bana mbale njara uzito somya bamura baje kuya mandegere uzito somya bamura baje kuya mandegere
Wancho murigirira na se ensemo y'ikigazeti ndochenga litukuria rero nigonda chikogotebi ari amangana manene kigima gose headlines y'ikigazeti cherituko ria rero nekirondo chenga igazeti yiga ya The Standard nigo ebwate bicho ya umuske William Ruto na boigo neringana rinene gotebanga making of an autocrat no morai oliore unanere okubwate enkwanda yaye gosinge enkwanda yaye nero yomwele nganere kusema mwanzo tena mwisho nero final gosenero bwate the final say igo mwancho murigiriria egazeti ya The Standard nige gotebanga omurai bwense igo bono atokire omuske William Ruto nganigo yatokire nga ere tatageti onde bwensi okomogoro gusonde bwensi ogopinga oburai bwae anne mono chinga kichiga nekera bakenya bange bagendete kurera amangana yagendete gukurekana se chinsemo nige agotebanga from tear gassing students to veiled threats and mass church rallies, a pattern is emerging. Control at all costs. Is Kenya witnessing the making of a modern-day strongman? Elements of absolute rule in Ruto style. Ngabono korwa ngechu inseyechu ikibire chairire nigo aborokiwa be iskuru ya banyaroka ya butere nga kururiri banyara gutangwa nga tibabasa gokora ukwigia kwabo babwate nabo igo wakwa chiti ya gasi nigo yarorekane nga murai bwense nigo akutumika chinguru na boigo bari angenere kigima elyo kwane kya buna ondetayo onyare koroka ase abakenya na boigo okomupinga kigima ige gotebanga assault on a bill of rights limiting rights under Article 33 of the Constitution on artistic expression. Nga anene mono nekiro kurigiririwe nga bono nonye na samangana yokwegia nigo yarorekanire nga omurai bwense nigo eserikali yiga ya Kenya Kwanza ekogenda mamincha no guchika we katiba igoro oyobosibole anene mono ase bali bagotera bagokora amangana ande onsi alimanyikanite buna at anene mono drama and music festival igondoche egazeti yiga omugano yoko yonyora ase page ya gatatu nyare kumayana kimurai bwense era taragania ko enekia una ngopingwa ale kigima eba murekerete enchira abanyaroka babutere girls banyarete kwa chitia gasi bicha nera asobosyobo nabo igonto bwate amangana abducting youths following satirical images depicting the president ko bwate kana nechi bicho chirichenya gutaro mutandao igoro yomurai bwense nga naro nigo abasaye abangi babete bagochererwa nabo igo executions abductions and enforced disappearances ingabono nande ogochererwa kwa abasaye abange wetaria 53 na babere 82 youths was Kenyans abducted since June 2024 with 29 still missing according to rights groups ebyombe biribyo kogera obwene wamwanya bantu anene mono igasi ya Kenya ligo bya genderere gutabuna ambale 20 na kianda wikira boniga bataratoka ase bari kuri mutinyo ogatano narimo umwakoita ekiro orochenga orobotini gorokorokia more than 82 nigo obanyarire ko bakubura kurwa ukurubikana kuri wa jenzi kwanyarite kwenekiwa na aboigo ndoche the one man show image former CS Muturi couldn't get an answer on his son's disappearance until He met President William Ruto utukurigiria uyo kabiri umawaziri wa mwana public service Justin Muturi nga nereta nyarite ko usenga tari ucha konyora umwana oye unyarite ko sira nga onye atatoka kare aime ya serikali na boigo kumugira omurai ibwense nga bono nigo egazeti hegote omurai ibwense nere ororekanire nero bwate the final say aiga asensi ya Kenya nga tari kubwatia nonye elichiko iyo ne gazeti ya The Standard. Making of an autocrat. Gotigena nayo nekiro tukurigire nga Easter soul searching, hope, graft and debt. Amangana akurigiriwa nigoro yoko semeria amangana yogotwara amadeni na boigo obokurumi na boigo obobe obonge bogendete kwenekiwa ime yense ya Kenya nga naro aringe amasabo abene asichinga kichiga cha Pasca. Yo nigo kwenyora sepeji ya kiande gazeti yega ya The Standard. Na boigo gutigana nayo kerongorigereria egazeti ya Daily Nation yeri tukuria lero nigo ndoche emorekerete umoroberio e-Citizen gose platform ya e-Citizen eyo murai wense agendete gotogia kigima ndagote babuna nigo emeroberio gosobokoreri wense wa serikali burachukwana no ase injira yekerero gose ase injira yemitandao lakini korende nigo ndoche nga ababunge nigo banyarite gukana ase bagoteba nga umoroberio ga o e-Citizen no bwate emegwagete eyo bono eganire korigererirwa kigima ane muno serikali enyare kwaneke nga yakorire uko igwana kwaneke buna emegwe yo yanyare goticho rinde chibesa cy'abakenya gose nibo y'abakenya nabo information yabo tebasa koba kekobe kwa ase abe egazeti ya Daily Nation lingana rimwamu why e-Citizen deal is bad for Kenya abo information gose ujumbe yaba bunge Secretary probe Auditor General undertaking a special audit on digital payments platform ngabono Auditor General nigagende tukurikereria enjera serikali ya Kenya ekorosia enibo gwitira sumuroberio yo o e-Citizen korende nigobono ando chaba bunge nga warning it will cost taxpayers colossal sums as it majorly serves the interests of suppliers. Furthermore, the lawmakers have the lopsided contract exposes Kenyans to risk of losing money and crucial data. Ngani kwa Kenya bangi barati gutuguta enibo yabo kusichibese chabo gwetero umuroberi yo o e-Citizen nabo igo nga umuroberi yo ga nigora konye serikali kose bali bakona na obokoreri korende bali babonete gukorerwa amagendero umugano yo page ya 5 na 2 hase gazeti ya Daily Nation nyirituko riarero na boigo Christians call for tolerance aya na mangana kose amasabo ayaiga Pasca Easter nekerondo che page ya kabere ne yagatote gotanga Bishop Simon Peter Kamumoe auxiliary bishop for the Catholic Archdiocese of Nairobi leads Easter Sunday mass yesterday at the Cathedral Basilica of the Holy Family in Nairobi County ngabono amasabo bagendete kuburia naringa serikali nebonete gwitaba abakenya bonsi naboigo wanja kogororwa Christians a call for tolerance oku nogusabo konene kigima kwa Easter ose Pasca eyiga korengana ne gazeti ya Daily Nation na gotigana ne gazeti yo ya People Daily nerondo chegote banga counties to spend billions on lawyers ngabono chi serikali chi county korengana nebina ebinge bigenderete kuse echigenderete chi county chigenderete gutwara nigo enibo enyinge egotumeko ase okwana okoe kose gotumeko ase ogwakana aba wakili epeji ya 5 na limo nyoro mugano yu asinjira enyikirano na onko ekerongo ligereria ne gazeti ya Taifa Leo nigo egotebanga e-Citizen ni shimo hatari wabunge wasema ngabono abajumbe nigo batebirenga e-Citizen tegokora emiremo asinjira eganiringa megwa nerororo naboigo ama mochonaroro abonete kurikirirwa korende ayo serikali yarorekane buna yatwarire okongusana na egati abajumbe na boigo nomurai bwense gokuiwa umurai bwense chinkwana chae kurase county ya Narok litkurigoro ereni gagenderete gotabanga nigo meroberia sia serikali ebonete gosoa asinjira ekose ebonete koenanwa gwetera asinjira eye mitandao korende niko bari bakorosia amachiko banyarire gukana ng'omurobero yo o eCitizen tori moronge murahe wense ere nigate betongonye abajumbe bagusinywa gwikirania ngane yuko sebari bakorosia amachiko ero bweko monyene na chiko ne kyabuna oetirie richiko ryokone kyanga obukariri bwa serikali waeteire ase enchira kusubwa korekanire ase enchira yekerero hofu kolera ikivamia miji ya Turukana nga tukurigire ase kaunti ya Turukana niko burire bwa kolera bwabeire bugusambazwa asinchira iyo bwango kigima. Rais usiende China kukopa tenda kiolela. Askofu wa jimbo Katoliki la Mombasa tukurigireria pogano yuko nyatwa yoretire omwaskofu munyekanete buna Martin Kivuva nigo nande akubori murai wense ngaga kyaso wanchako ekero okogenda ase chinse chinde gosokogenda ase taro yao ase chinse cha Michael ngana ndito basa ukabesa asenchera yekiolera okuno kubolia como Archbishop korase county ya Mombasa manyikanete na Bishop Kivuva. Raila aidi kuzima vita chamani ODM moske Raila Odinga nigate brengo guchiare kolimia libirira elio ditindi ligendete konikiwa ase kiama kya ODM mugano yese page ya gatano korende keroro chenga masabo a Easter masabo a Pascal nga umrai wense kawanja hajara kuitaba okogororwa na boigo andikara kende ase chinse kosteka kogende senseri ya China tachi usaba dideni mwancho konigereria ngoarigania Stacy Miruka ase brugo bichigo sori nje ngochinde koirana chinsa ibere keronda chikurigereria kusuturagende kurigereria amangana yaiga apaska korenda asebono tobasa uska.
Etwani yabugire ayo mworo karugetanda Etwani yabugire ayo mworo karugetanda bana mbale njara ayo mworo karugetanda bana mbale njara uzito somya bamura baje kuya mandege uzito somya bamura baje kuya mandege